Hi, welcome friends. Welcome to 360 data. Today video we can see how to fill the gaps using Power Query. See, we having two sample data. First sample data we have in the category and region sales, and the category name is top. So we need to fill this furniture need to fill in 14th row, up to 14th row. Office supplies need to fill to row number 27. So second sample, we having the category name is in last, down. We need to fill up. So how to do in Power BI? So go to the Power BI. I upload Excel data. Open the data. So navigator open. So we having two sample data. I can select two sample data. Transform data. So we need to Power Query need to use. So I select the first sample. See, so data is available, but furniture only came in first row only. So we need to fill. So we select the first row, sorry, first column. Select the first column. Go to the transform tab and fills under the any column category group in fill down. Select the fill down. It will updated empty rows. Very simple. So go to the second sample. Second table we need to row number 13. The furniture name need to update into up to first row. Same way, office supplies need to fill to up to 14. So select the column and go to the transform and fill up. See, furniture, office supplies. So all the rows updated. Now you can close and apply. Then you can create your visuals, whatever visual you want you can create. Then only we can create. Okay friends, thank you. So any doubts or any videos you want in Power BI, comment below comment box. Thank you, bye.